Today is a special day because your angel has a powerful message for you. There is someone in your life who is pretending to be happy, but deep down, this person knows you are the right one for them. This man is desperate, feeling the weight of regret for not treating you as you deserve. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? Get ready because this message is not just any message. You will either resolve everything with him, or he will take the initiative to change everything between you. Impactful confessions are on the way, and nothing will be left open. That feeling of being ignored will end. Stay with me and take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel because what comes next will transform your life. This person can't wait any longer, and that shows how troubled he is by the way he treated you. He is trapped in the awareness that he was not kind, and it eats him up inside. He understands that he needs to make a great effort to fix things. You are at the center of his thoughts, day and night. Comparing you to others, he realized how unique and special you are. You are an incredibly kind, genuine, reliable, and strong person. You always stand firm, minding your own business without causing trouble. You don't create drama, you aren't temperamental or abusive. He greatly appreciates this about you. On social media, he might be posting photos and messages that make him seem happy, but that's just a facade. It's all about pride and ego, trying to show the world an incredible problem-free life. But in reality, he doesn't like showing vulnerability. This vulnerability bothers him, making him feel overwhelmed, with that feeling of, oh no, I can't be vulnerable. However, the game has changed. You proved him wrong. At first, he thought you were not the right person, that maybe things were too much for you. But you showed impressive strength and resilience, much more than he imagined. He is finally starting to see your value and realize how essential you are in his life. This is a significant change because before, he avoided the idea of desiring you, but now, it seems that this is changing. By posting happy photos and messages on social media, he might be trying to provoke a reaction from you, hoping you will take the initiative and contact him. But you are smart and know that these posts are just an attempt to get your attention. It is crucial to understand that it is healthier for the relationship if he takes the initiative. Always being the first to make contact puts you in an unfavorable position. He also needs to make an effort, show that he values your presence, and is willing to prove it through actions. Don't be fooled by these happy appearances on social media, as they can be just a facade. Remember, you deserve someone who truly values you and strives for the relationship, not someone who expects you to chase after him all the time without offering anything in return. To have you in his life, he needs to make a genuine effort. He must prove, through actions and behaviors, that he is willing to do whatever it takes to maintain a healthy and balanced relationship. And this starts with him taking the initiative, showing interest, and investing in the relationship. You are strong and deserve someone who truly values you, someone who is willing to make an effort and show that you are important in his life. Maintain your firm stance and do not give in to provocations. He needs to understand that, to have a chance with you, he needs more than words or happy posts. He needs to act, demonstrating how important you are to him and how much he is willing to do to keep you close. And when he realizes this, when he starts to act according to his feelings, you will know that it is true, that he really values you, and that he is willing to do whatever it takes to build a solid and happy relationship by your side. Always remember, you are unique, special, and deserve all the love and respect in the world. Continue believing in your worth and do not accept anything less than that. True love requires effort and commitment from both parties, and you deserve someone who is willing to offer that to you. He may seem distant now, but that doesn't mean he isn't thinking about you. In fact, this distance bothers him a lot. He thinks about you all the time, daydreaming about the moments he wants to share and the conversations he wants to have. He wants to be close to you and nurtures very positive and affectionate feelings for you. His affection is genuine and deep. He really cares about what you think and feel. Know that he is looking for a way to get closer. He is gathering the courage necessary to take this important step and talk to you. Be patient and keep the faith, because his feelings for you are strong and true. He will talk to you. He is just waiting for the right moment, the one where he will feel secure to express everything he feels. He is dealing with this mix of emotions while also looking for the best way to approach. Every step he takes is thoughtful and meaningful because he wants everything to be perfect. His feelings for you are so intense that they sometimes leave him confused and hesitant. But know that deep down, he is looking for a way to make everything work. He spends days and nights thinking about how to reach you, how to make every encounter, every word said, special and unforgettable. He knows this emotional journey is delicate, and that's why he wants to make sure he is doing things the best way possible. He wants you to know that you are always in his thoughts, and that each day apart is another day of preparation for the moment when he will finally declare himself. The desire to be by your side is so great that he spares no effort to ensure that when this moment comes, it will be everything you deserve. Understand that he is not distant due to a lack of interest, but because he is preparing, because he wants everything to be perfect. He cares deeply about you, and this makes him want to ensure that he is making the right decisions. The affection and admiration he feels for you are enormous, and he wants every moment by your side to be memorable. So, keep hope alive and believe in the love he feels for you. This love is true, intense, and growing every day. He is determined to make everything work, and when the moment comes, you will see that every step, every hesitation, every minute of waiting was worth it. Because he is preparing to show you how special and important you are to him, and to make all the dreams he had with you come true. He cares a lot about you and wants to ensure that when you are finally together, everything is perfect. He is willing to do whatever it takes to make this moment unforgettable. He thinks about every detail, every word, every gesture, because you mean a lot to him. And that is why he wants you to know that even at a distance, he is always with you in his thoughts, preparing for the moment when he can show you all the love he feels. This love is true and growing every day. He is determined to make everything work, and when the moment comes, you will see that every step, every hesitation, every minute of waiting was worth it. Because he is preparing to show you how special and important you are to him, and to make all the dreams he had with you come true. If you decide to ignore his messages or cut off contact, it could be a mistake. This man might interpret it as a lack of interest on your part, which could cause him to distance himself even more. The ideal is to find a balance, offering him the same as he offers you. Maintaining this balance is fundamental. Neither too much nor too little. It's like waiting for someone but not putting your life on hold. It's not fair to yourself to remain stagnant, nor is it good to completely close the door if you still want this person in your life. If you want to end things, then close the door firmly. The point of balance here is to keep the door open without letting it affect you at every moment, without hurting or frustrating you. This man sees you as intelligent, sensitive, and powerful. That is special. He recognizes your value. He just needs more time before he is fully present, but that doesn't mean you should stand still waiting. Having patience means continuing with your life normally. If you are cooking something, you don't stare at the oven the whole time, do you? You set the alarm and go do other things. When the alarm goes off, you know it's almost ready. This person wants to be with you and truly believes that you are the right person. You will end up with him if that is what you also want. He knows that you are special. Understanding that communication is a two-way street is crucial. Ignoring someone can seem like disinterest, and that can push the person further away. Therefore, finding a balance, giving him as much as he gives you, is essential. Neither too much nor too little. The secret is in the middle ground. Imagine a swing. Too much force unbalances it, too little force doesn't move it. The same applies to relationships. Overdoing it is bad, but doing nothing is also bad. It's a delicate balance, similar to waiting for someone without pausing your life. Don't close the door to this man unless you really don't want him in your life anymore. Otherwise, keep the door open, but without letting it affect you negatively. Leaving the door open means being available but not obsessed. Don't let it hurt or frustrate you. The secret is to continue with your life normally, without waiting every second for a message or action from him. This shows that you are balanced, secure, and confident. This person sees incredible qualities in you: intelligence, sensitivity, power. He values you and knows how special you are. Sometimes he may need more time, but that doesn't mean you should wait passively. Having patience is continuing with your life, doing what you love, getting involved in other activities, knowing that when the right time comes, everything will fall into place. Patience is like cooking something in the oven. You don't stand in front of the oven watching. You set an alarm and go do other things. When the alarm goes off, you know it's ready. Likewise, continue with your life, confident that when the right moment comes, you will be ready. This person wants to share life with you and sees a future by your side. He truly believes that you are the one for him. And you can end up with this man if that is what you want. He knows how special you are and wants to be with you. Therefore, find the balance, be patient and confident. Continue living your life to the fullest, knowing that when the right time comes, everything will fit perfectly. Maintaining this perspective is vital. It's not about waiting passively, but about living fully while the door is open. Show him that you are strong, balanced, and capable of continuing with your life without letting the weight consume you. This will not only make him admire you even more, but will also ensure that you remain happy and fulfilled, regardless of how long it takes for him to come to you. True patience and balance come from within. It's about knowing that you are enough on your own and that the other person is a complement to your happiness, not the source of it. Therefore, continue being this incredible, sensitive, and powerful person that he already sees in you. Live your life to the fullest, and trust that, in the right time, everything will be resolved in the best possible way. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter your decision. Type, "I receive and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained in it for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.